everybody. John here with you, TPF Travel, Trips, Places, and Fun. And we'll have fun today. Yesterday, I was at our business, Escape Code, here in beautiful Branson, Missouri, and I thought it would be fun to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour and give you an idea of just what it takes to make the magic happen at Escape Code. So in a moment, I'm going to take you on scene and we'll take a look into the control room. We'll go into some of the rooms there at Escape Code, give you an idea of even the software and the different things that it takes to make it happen. We'll also have a chance to say hi to Amy. She was there and she was actually running a game, so you get to kind of peek in at some people actually playing the game through the cameras, and you'll be able to look at that. And so, I want to encourage you, every single one of you who, it doesn't matter where you live, whether it's Branson or somewhere else, if you've never experienced an escape room, by all means, you need to experience an escape room. It's entertainment unlike anything that you've ever done. My wife and I, we have played over 400 escape rooms all over the nation, and including on a cruise ship and in Mexico in Spanish, and we don't speak Spanish at all. And so that was quite an experience for us. But every single experience, every single room that we've played has been just a remarkable time. And of course, there are some that are going to be just phenomenal. There are others maybe not so great, but most all of them are going to be a fun challenge. And whether you do it just maybe you and a friend or your spouse, like Amy and I often do, or maybe you're going to take the family along with you, or you do it in a big group. It doesn't really matter, and you're still going to have a blast. And they're themed environments, and you're solving puzzles and riddles, and just gives you an opportunity to kind of get out of the real world and dive into some sort of an adventure. And there's all different types out there, of course. I mean, you've got at Escape Code, we have an abduction scenario. We have a tornado scenario, and another game that's coming soon. It's called Journey Through Alex Hollow. You're going to be in kind of a Hobbit style, what do you call it? Like a Hobbit house. You're going to be in one of those trying to solve a very unique, interesting mystery. You go to different places, and you're going to have pirate themes, or Egypt, or any number of things, right? And so just all sorts of super cool, super fun, things that you can do. And what's really great about it is all of the escape room owners out there, they have so much creativity, and they're always thinking up something new, and they're always doing something different. And so of the 400 games that we've done, man, they've all been different. They've all, there's something different about every single one of them. And so that's kind of why it gets addicting. But hey, enough of all that. How about we go on scene right now to Escape Code, and let's go behind the scenes. And hey, I'm here right outside Escape Code. How about we go inside? I'll take you into some of the game rooms and also the control room. Amy's in there running a game right now, and kind of give you an idea of what it's like to play an escape game and also to run one. So down those stairs, we have two additional businesses. We have Saga's Mysteries and the Axe Game. Definitely check both of those out. In fact, if you enjoy 2 or 3 attractions, including Escape Code, the Axe Game, and or Saga's Mysteries, you can receive a discount. So hey, let's head on into Escape Code. Yeah, and here is some info about Sagas. It is the coolest thing. You've got to do it for sure. So here's the lobby. This is the week before Memorial Day, so we've been steady today, but it's kind of slow right now. And we've got 5 different games that you can choose from. So there's 4 right there, and the 5th game is called Condemned. Condemned is a biblical adventure. You're in the same prison where Paul and Silas were. Condemned is going to be replaced soon, though, with the Journey Through Alex Hollow. It was supposed to come this summer, but it's delayed a little bit, and so it's going to be coming hopefully in the fall. So I'm going to cruise on back here into the control room. And who do we have here eating some lunch and running a game?
Hi. I'm concentrating.
Are you taking notes?
I'm tracking where they are, so I know what hint to give them should they need help.
So this is condemned. And so in here you have all 5 games, and we have cameras and headphones and computers that help us control everything that's going on in the room. So for example, this is Vortex, and then right down here, this is the control that we use. And so we're able to start the timer, we're able to deliver hints, we're able to deliver pictures, videos, things like that to help during the game. Over here, this is the guest house. This is Revenge. It's a great game. They're all great games. And right here we have the Great Escape of Jasper Jinx. All right, say bye to everybody. Amy, I'm gonna give them a tour.
See you later.
So when you check in, you'll come back here. We call this the prep room. And you have a seat on the couches. And then we control the video that they're going to watch. And so they watch a rules videos. So for example, if they're gonna play Revenge, I would start this video and I would turn down the lights.
Welcome to Escape Code. You are about to embark on a journey of discovery that will challenge your wits and awaken your sense of adventure. But don't get too comfortable. You only have 60 minutes to discover the escape code and leave the room in victory. Be sure to pay attention to the monitor. It will display the amount of time remaining.
So that's what they see in the room. I was showing you the laptops in the control room. This is what it looks like on the other side.
Unlimited hints are available. Teams who use 4 hints or fewer are eligible for our leaderboard.
So down this hallway we have 2 of our games. Those folks that are playing Condemned that you saw, they're right in here. So this whole section, this is Condemned right out here. And then over in this area, we have the Great Escape of Jasper Jinx. So this is another area where they can watch a video as well, if we have multiple groups in the building at the same time. Here's an advert for the Axe game. Oh, you saw Amy? There's Amy too, there on the left, right there. She plays Mildred at Saga's Mysteries. So when you enter into Revenge, this is what it looks like. Actually, you come in blindfolded, so you don't see anything. But once your blindfolds come off, this is what you're going to see. And our escape rooms have a variety of different things that you're going to interact with. For example, got this button, and that displays something right up there. So I'll give you a freebie. So they see that, and what they're supposed to do is they're supposed to open up this. See, these are the mains. You're supposed to keep it on. Same over here. So this is Revenge, an abduction scenario.
I captured another group just like yours. They are safe and secure, tied up in a basement across town. Either they will win, or you will win. It's completely up to you. Prepare to play my game.
I'll show you the first room of Vortex. This is our tornado experience. And right up there is where you're going to see your clues delivered. And the idea is you're trying to break in to this house and then into a tornado shelter. So here's another one of our rooms. And I know it looks spooky, but all of our games really do work well for people of all ages. And so we have families that are coming in all the time. And so, hey, look at that. I even look spooky. But it's not scary. You know what we're seeing here, this is just one small element, and people can peek in and they'll come in, and the fear factor really isn't there. With Revenge, even the video that you watched there a little bit sounds spooky. You're gonna go in blindfolded, and it's an abduction scenario, but most of the time it's not an issue at all. So we don't have the gore or like the haunted house kind of thing going on. Really, we do love the fact that people of all ages can enjoy their experience here at Escape Code. And so right here, looks like someone's been taking a nap. Maybe living back here, huh? So in here, we give folks flashlights. There's a safe for them to get into right there. How they doing, Amy?
They're doing well. I can't tell yet whether they're going to win or not, but we shall see. They still have half an hour.
And it's not so much about winning, is it? It's more about having fun.
Yes, it's the experience. And if you win, it's icing on the cake.
That's right. All right, everybody, there you have it. That was behind the scenes at Escape Code here in Branson, Missouri. If you are coming to the area, definitely check us out. Go to escapecode.tv and you can book your experience right there. And you can also book Saga's Mysteries. Man, that's a whole other experience, a whole other, a themed game, 2 hours long. We'll serve you some desserts, and you'll meet some interesting characters. There's live actors and all sorts of cool stuff going on there. So you definitely want to check out Saga's Mysteries, and also the axe game, axe throwing. And so that's something that maybe if you've never done that before, for sure, check that out as well. And hey, if you haven't planned on coming to Branson yet, man, you've got to get to Branson. There is so much to do. This is our favorite place in the entire world, and that's why we choose to live here. And so definitely come on out to Branson. But hey, thanks for hanging out with me, and we're going to keep the videos coming. But I thought a fun little behind-the-scenes tour at Escape Code would be a little fun for all of us. All right, until next time, safe travels, everybody.